I gotta comb my hair because it's a little messed up. We just got done watching a movie in the lobby. What happens in Vegas? We went for the free popcorn. And that's all we really got because we showed up a little late. Oh, thank you. We're trying to open her cough medicine because she's been sick for a while. So if it wasn't childproof, I probably would have had it open by now. Let me just use my teeth. Sorry. Dang cough syrup.
He's so nice to me. He bought me cough syrup, and now he's gonna give it to me. He's so nice.
So nice.
I'm really lucky.
I'm lucky to be able to give her cough syrup. Sore throat? Why wait? Spray directly on tonsils.
Directions. Apply to the affected area. Allow to remain allowed to remain in place for at least 15 seconds. Then spit out. Wait. Yeah.
You're supposed to swallow.
I thought it says spit out. Use every 2 hours as directed by a doctor or a dentist. That's me.
That's me. No, I'm orthodontist. Never mind. Sorry.
Adults and children 12 years of age and
I always
older.
spit it out. I've never heard anyone.
Spray 5 times for each application. So am I supposed to spit it out 5 times?
I think you spray it 5 times and then spit out whatever you have.
Not.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think you're supposed to swallow it.
It says spit out.
I think it was a typo.
Do you swallow it?
I swallow it every single time.
Alright, well.
And I'm okay.
We'll try it.
Alright, good luck.